Hi guys, welcome to a Soul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Also, one more thing, this is a timeless reading, so it won't be resonating with you right now because it will be resonating with you right now or else in the upcoming weeks. Okay, for you guys. Okay, so this reading is from 15th of April 2020 to 30th of April 2020. But before that, if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the link of the donation is given in the description box below. You can check it out. And also one more thing, if you want to book and one-on-one reading with me, the details of the booking is also given in the description box below, so you can check it out. And yes, let's talk about Sagittarius. I'm just checking out which is the sign next. Sagittarius. I was just confirming. Okay. So let's talk about Sagittarius. Today's topic is what are you releasing and what's coming up for you in the near future. Okay. Let's talk. 10 of Death card. 10 of Swords. The Fool. The Star. The Sun. Okay. Let's talk about it. 8 of Cups. King of Wands in reverse. Okay. 5 of Swords. Ace of Swords. Knight of Wands. And 10 of Cups. Okay, let's talk about it. Okay. Sagittarius, you were going through some tarot moment. A lot of sadness was there. You were conflicted in your head, or you were conflicted with the person. You didn't had any communication with that person, I guess, in the past. Okay, that is coming to an end. Okay, there's a kind of new beginning which is taking place with the Fool card. That means you are taking a leap of faith with the Star card. That means then Aquarius, you might be dealing with an Aquarius particularly, or any water sign or any fire sign. Okay, so there's a Sun card. That means that you are shining up bright. You will be standing in your own power, taking your own decisions, and no more emotional anymore. You will be thinking more practically in the upcoming weeks. You are walking away from a lot of pain, emotional drama, stupid things which were happening around you or in your head. So you are moving away. You are releasing it in the upcoming weeks. There is a kind of clarity and communication is taking place. You are coming out of fights or conflicts if there was in the past, so you are releasing all the conflicts and fights. Okay, you are coming up strong when it comes to taking your own actions. You will be standing in your own throne. You are taking your own power. You are thinking about standing in your own power and taking an action and taking your own decisions, standing, trusting. You are thinking with the King of Wands. That means that you are trusting your own intuitions. You are strong enough when it comes to your decision making. You are also thinking about a person who is thinking about starting some business or something, or start, if it's a career, that means that you might be thinking to start some sort of business or expanding a business overseas or something like that. Okay, expanding a business in a bigger level. Okay, but if it's a relationship, that means you are trusting your own intuition. You will be taking your own action. You won't be listening to anyone. You are walking away from a lot of bad things which you didn't felt that was right on your part. Your intuition was not allowing you to trust those things. So you are moving away from a lot of fights, conflicts and everything, and walking away from that brings you a lot of